Always in the lab with nothing to show. Your future is bleak, my future is home. Always on the grind, it's out of control. Ain't enough time, so I need a clone. Haters love me, but they say that they don't. Your girl wanna get with me down on the low, so sipping on that potion, sipping on that potion. Act so reckless with the money, you would think we fucking stole it. So don't come back unless you getting it in. Cause girl, I ain't here to play like I'm sitting on the bench. Hey, yeah, yeah.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
For my motherfucking nigga. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. I've been grinding that side out there with my niggas. And I ain't going in, it's on with my nigga. My nigga, my nigga. My nigga, my nigga. My motherfucking nigga. My nigga, my nigga. My nigga, my nigga. My nigga, my nigga.